All right, let's talk. This is the Lagoon 38, the so-called poor's cat. Sounds cheap, right? Well, hold on. At 425,000 euros, it's pocket-friendly. No, I'm joking. Let's be real. That's pricey for a 38-footer. But check the Lagoon lineup. Smallest in the family. Sure, but does that make it poor? Is it poor, or actually smart and mighty? We found something you might not know yet. Let's dive in.
What's out there? Sails up high. What's out there?
Let's step aboard the Lagoon 38 and see what this floating dream home has in store for you. First up, the saloon, your main hub. Look at this. A bright, open space with 360-degree views thanks to these massive windows. You've got a full galley with a fridge, oven, and sink. Perfect for cooking up a storm. That dining table seats 6, but for a couple, it's your office, your lounge, your everything. And hey, who doesn't love an office with an ocean view? Now, the owner's cabin, check this out. A cozy double bed with colorful pillows, tons of storage, and a built-in desk. This is where you'll work with Starlink blazing. Or just unwind after a day on the water. It's tight but smart. Every inch counts on a 38-footer. Step outside to the aft cockpit. This is your outdoor living room. A big table for meals with friends, cushy seating, and the helm right there, so you're always in control. It flows right into the saloon, blending indoor and outdoor vibes seamlessly. Up on deck, you've got space to relax, lounge here with a coffee, or stretch out on the trampoline. Those solar panels, they're ready to power your off-grid life. It's all about soaking in the sun and the freedom. And at the stern, twin swim platforms make jumping in a breeze. Your water toys are right at home. This boat's built for living, working, and playing. Now let's break down the numbers that make the Lagoon 38 a game changer for new sailors. First, size. She's 37 feet 4 inches long with a massive 21 feet 10 inches beam. That's Catamaran magic, giving you way more space than a monohull. Sleeps 6 to 10 folks comfortably, but for a couple, it's like having a mansion on water. Plus, 2 heads. That means your own private bathrooms. Next, the sail plan. 836 square feet upwind with a self-tacking jib, super easy for beginners. Add the code 0 and you're at 1180 square feet downwind. The sail area to displacement ratio, 1658. That means fast, fun cruising without the stress. Power and range, 400 liters of fuel, twin 29 horsepower engines, and a range of 300 to 400 nautical miles at 5 to 7 knots. That's enough to hop between islands without sweating a refuel or worrying about where your next coffee stop will be. What does this all mean? The Lagoon 38 is compact enough to handle, spacious enough to live on, and built to keep your cruising simple and cheap. It's a newbie's dream. The Lagoon 38 sounds amazing, but let's talk concerns. Some real stuff new sailors need to think about. First, working silently on battery with AC, Starlink, and more. The base model isn't set up for this. You'll need a retrofit. For serious off-grid power, 2,000 watts of solar runs about 12,000 euros. A 50 kilowatt hour battery bank for AC and appliances? That's 30,000 euros. Add Starlink at 2,500 euros and a water maker for 10,000 euros. You're looking at around 55,000 to live the dream quietly. Next, space for your toys. Foldable bikes can squeeze into lockers and paddle boards might fit on deck, but it's tight. That 21 feet 10 inches beam gives you room, but don't expect to stash a kayak or big gear without some serious Tetris skills. For a couple, it's doable, but you'll need to pack smart. Think of it as a fun game of nautical Tetris. Finally, the price tag. The Lagoon 38 starts at around 34,000 euros, ex VAT, but with 54,000 euros in upgrades, you're at 39,400 euros. The Lagoon 43, 42,500 euros base, 85,000 euros more. Add the same solar, battery, Starlink, and water maker, say 55,000 euros with slightly bigger systems, and you're at 48,000 euros. For just 85,000 euros more, you get 5 extra feet and more space. That's a tough call. But hey, who's counting when you're living the dream, right? So, the Lagoon 38 needs some work to fit your live aboard dreams, but it's still a compact gem. Is it worth the trade-off? Let's wrap this up. More people are ditching the office for good, and smaller catamarans like the Lagoon 38 are leading the charge. Cheaper, easier to maneuver, and perfect for the work-from-sea revolution. With Starlink making remote work a breeze, compact cats are the hot trend. Over 900 Lagoon 380s sold, and the 38 might just start a new wave. Not everyone needs a massive SUV. That's why compact luxury cars like the Mini are so popular. Same goes for boats. You don't need the biggest yacht in the mooring that requires endless cleaning or a hired crew, especially if you're not the look-at-me type. Smart sailors know, right-size luxury means more sailing, less maintaining. Is the Lagoon 38 actually nailing this right-sized luxury sweet spot? We're eager to get on board and find out. Click subscribe to get the answer when we do. The Fountaine Pajot. New 41's another exciting contender in this space. We're diving deep into that next. Thanks for watching, and until next time, fair winds and following seas.
What's out there?